Hey guys, welcome to this Instagram guide, and here I'll detail how to fix allow Instagram access to photos on iPhone. So if you're trying to upload or if you're trying to post on Instagram, add your story, or you want to add reels from your photos, then you need to allow photos access on the Instagram application. Otherwise, you will not be able to upload photos from your iPhone except you use the story and then capture yourself live. So here I'm going to show you how you can easily fix please allow access to your photos on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do when you are trying to fix allow Instagram access to photos on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. Now on the settings app, we're going to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to apps, and then click on it. On iOS 18, on settings page, scroll down and click on Instagram. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, on iOS 18, you want to scroll down and click on apps. Then scroll down until you get to the Instagram application and then go ahead and click on it. So just scroll to Instagram and then select it. Once you have selected Instagram, locate photos and click on it. Then you have three options available here. Photo library access. You need to click on full access if you want your Instagram application to have access to your photos and videos on your iPhone. For limited access, this will only be available for some selected photos and hard access. So go ahead and tap full access. Once you selected full access, give Instagram full access to your photo library. Then go ahead and tap allow full access. Once you tap allow full access, you can now exit the page. Now go back to your Instagram. Then you should see that Instagram application now have access to your photos app on your iPhone. So that is basically how to fix allow Instagram access to photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.